statement coming in from the Tihar Jail authorities saying Arvind Kejriwal's health is fine. Upon arrival on the 1st of April, Arvind Kejriwal was examined by 2 doctors. All his vitals were reported to be normal. Also, his weight is constant at 65 kg since the arrival to jail until date. Home-cooked food is being provided as per the court order. His vital statistics are also normal. All of that as far as dismissing the allegations, rather the concerns that has been raised by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that everything that has been provided to the Delhi Chief Minister on part of the court orders, because Rame, they were the special requests that were actually raised by Arvind Kejriwal and his legal team looking at the severity of the diabetes that he has, and that has been accepted by the court.
Absolutely, the court had already accepted the request made by that he may be provided homemade food and diabetes medicines, coffees, and even bananas were asked by the judge on humanitarian grounds to be kept for Arvind Kejriwal to take care of his diabetes. Now, there was this speculation created by some party workers that Arvind Kejriwal's weight has reduced significantly. His health is not doing fine. However, countering these, a Tihar jail has released the released the press release which states that on arrival he was examined by 2 doctors and his all vitals are normal. His weight is constant, which is 65 kg. So they have negated all the news which was coming since morning that his weight has significantly reduced. He's not doing well. Tihar jail has clarified that his weight is constantly 65 kg since arrival till date, and home cooked food is being provided as per the Honorable Court's direction. Even Tihar jail has also clarified that his vital statistics are absolutely normal. So this completely negates what is being claimed by Aam Aadmi Party politicians and workers, that Arvind Kejriwal's health was deteriorating. However, now this press release clarifies that his health is absolutely normal. No, there is no weight reduced, and whatsoever was directed by the Honorable Court, that is being adhered to, and he's being provided homemade food as per the directions of the Honorable Court. So
Meanwhile,
this
we
is the
also
press
listen in
release
how
which
the
has come.
allegations were leveled, rather concerns by the Aam Aadmi Party, where they had gone on to say that there has been a drastic weight fluctuation on part of Arvind Kejriwal, that in the last 12 days, Arvind Kejriwal has lost 4.5 kgs, also insisting that Arvind Kejriwal's weight was close to 70 kgs when he was arrested. But in the last 12 odd days or so, Tetri, now this is where, you know, the contest that seems to be happening on the original weight of Arvind Kejriwal before the arrest and after the arrest, where his weight stands today.
Yes, first a press conference was done by Atishi, in fact, where she mentioned that Kejriwal's health is deteriorating. In fact, sources first revealed that his weight was reduced by 4.5 kgs. And in fact, after that, there comes a statement from Tihar jail officials where they say that his health is constant, his health is stable, and there is no decline in his weight. But after that, we are seeing a reaction coming in from Aam Aadmi Party, where they are giving a detail on Arvind Kejriwal's health and weight as well, where they say that before 12 days, like when Arvind Kejriwal went to enforcement directorate custody, that particular point of time his weight was 69.5 kgs, and now within 12 days, within this 12 days period of time, his weight reduced, and now his weight is 65 kg, 4.5 kg weight is reduced. And in fact, they have also said that doctors have raised alarm over this entire situation, and that if something happens to Arvind Kejriwal, then they will not forgive the BJP, and in fact the entire country will not be forgiving so as to what BJP is doing. And in fact, also Dilip Pandey, the spokesperson of Aam Aadmi Party, held a press conference and gave a detail about Arvind Kejriwal's health and updates. Remember that this is not for the first time, certainly, when Aam Aadmi Party is claiming about Arvind Kejriwal's health being deteriorated in the judicial custody. Before also, they have stated that his sugar level was fluctuating. His sugar is continuously fluctuating. Doctor had raised alarm, is what Aam Aadmi Party said. To which again, ED, this was while he was in enforcement directorate custody. So that time also ED has said that his sugar is being monitored and he is completely fine. So now, as of now, what we are seeing, that a kind of emotional message is also trying to be sent. On one hand, where at ground where protesters are protesting, legal battle is being fought by Aam Aadmi Party. There is an emotional message that's being sent by Aam Aadmi Party so as to the kind of treatment that's being given to Kejriwal till the time he remains in judicial custody, that is 15th of April.
Right, but all of the requests that have been adhered to, I mean, what all has he been getting in jail, which has been accepted by court, Tetri, when it comes to home-cooked food, bed, other amenities, books as well, medication? There has been a doctor's team that is always on standby. What all has been given to him in jail?
Yes, as far as, claims by the BJP are concerned, BJP is continuously saying that whatever he has asked for, he is getting, say it be the home-cooked food, say it be the bedding, say it be the table chairs, say it be the books that he had been asking for, his medicines. He even asked for glucose, and also asked for several kind of medicines that he requires. So if all the facilities are being provided to the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, in this jail, so BJP is posing a question to Aam Aadmi Party as of now, that what is the reason that his health is deteriorating, and what they say that it is just a kind of propaganda that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to create and gain emotional vote bank, or in fact collect emotional votes via this particular campaign that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to run, is what BJP is claiming. But we'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party responds
in the meantime,
to this
let's
particular
get
claim.
court updates as well. Tetri, please to stay on with us, because as far as the Delhi High Court is concerned, and where Arvind Kejriwal has approached challenging his arrest and the 6-day custody to the Enforcement Directorate, that hearing that has been taking place in the Delhi High Court, as far as him moving and challenging his arrest, there has been a lengthy response that has also been filed by the ED as to why it sought immediate arrest of Arvind Kejriwal.
डायबिटीज एक ऐसी बीमारी है कि जब सिवियर होती है तो उसके साथ जुड़ी हुई बहुत सारी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होती हैं। अगर किसी सिवियर डायबिटिक पेशेंट का शुगर लेवल 50 के नीचे गिर जाए तो उनकी जान को भी खतरा हो जाता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी शासित केंद्र सरकार ने गिरफ्तार किया है, उनके स्वास्थ्य पर एक जबरदस्त खतरा मंडरा रहा है। जब वो ईडी की कस्टडी में थे तो 3 बार उनका शुगर लेवल गिरा, एक बार उनका शुगर लेवल 46 तक पहुंच गया, जो किसी भी व्यक्ति के लिए जानलेवा साबित हो सकता है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का पिछले 12 दिन में 4.5 किलो वजन घट गया है। एक डायबिटीज का पेशेंट होते हुए इतने कम समय में इतना ज्यादा वजन घटना कई प्रकार की कॉम्प्लिकेशंस पैदा कर सकता है।
Well, with those allegations that have been raised by the Aam Aadmi Party on the health concerns of the Delhi Chief Minister, the BJP has rubbished this as yet another invention by the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen into the reactions coming in.
मुझे लगता है ये भी कहानियां आम आदमी पार्टी ने काल्पनिक गढ़ी हैं। बिस्तर अरविंद केजरीवाल को घर का मिला, खाना उनको घर का मिला, बातचीत परिवार से हो रही है, तो कमी किस चीज की रह गई है? बताएं, कमी किस चीज की रह गई है? या तो खाने में भी कमी है जो घर से जा रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है अभी 1 दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, धीरे धीरे स्वभाव में आ जाएगा सब चीजें।
The Aam Aadmi Party says that the Kejriwal health is being deteriorated. He has lost 4.5 kg weight in last 13 days. Jail admin has dismissed all these claims.
Well, this is for the jail admin to see. The jail doctors is there, jail hospital is there. They are not saying anything, but the Aam Aadmi Party is getting all the news. They are better than CIA, isn't it? After all, they are a product of CIA.